Today we have something really interesting. We have a portable sawmill. We were thinking about doing an extension on the garage, so we're going to try to cut up as many 2x6s.
Already started.
So as you can see here, you have to shave the log several times to be able to get it squared off, to be able to cut up 2x6s, 2x4s, 2x8s, whatever you want. In this particular shot, you've got a 6x6, which is going to get trimmed down.
Get a nice 2x4 out of that one. That's an 8x8 there.
Here's a perfect shot of a 1x8 or 1x6 plank. This sawmill is fully automatic, so it propels itself by itself and comes back by itself. There are other versions that you have to push and pull yourself, but as you can see, a log turns into not too many pieces of wood. In this shot, we can see the pile of logs. In the fall, we took down 6 or 7 80-foot spruce trees that look like this. So basically what you're seeing me putting in the fire is really the leftover scrap. I was able to cut a lot of those shaved off pieces into, campfire wood that I kept, but some of them were too thin or too knotty or full of sap. So there was about 5 to 8% of waste that got burned off in the fire pit behind.
Final one. Hold on. Stack of wood.
When all was said and done, we cut down 7 or 8 80-foot spruce trees. We got a beautiful inventory of wood, just to name a few. We got 25 2x8s, 27 2x6s, 26 1x6s, and so on and so forth. Should be enough wood to use from the property to build our new structure.